So we have a circle with a diameter of 42 inches, and it says find the area to the nearest square foot and the circumference to the nearest tenth of an inch. So now you've really got to read this stuff. So area nearest square foot. That means I can't use 42 inches. I have to turn that into feet. 1 foot, 12 inches, x feet, 42 inches. I have feet on top, inches on the bottom. Make sure you're consistent. So I'm going to get 12x equals 42 and get x equals 3.5, I believe. 3.5. So x is 3.5. That's feet. And now that's this dimension right here. Sorry. Diameter is 3.5 feet. It wants the area to the nearest square foot. So that's pi times, don't do that. Pi times r squared. So I need to take 3.5 and divide it by 2. And I'm going to get 1.75 for my radius. So be really careful with that. I almost didn't pay close enough attention. So pi r squared. Now it doesn't say in terms of pi, so that means I put pi into the calculator. And I get 9.621. And it says nearest square foot. So the area is 10. It wants circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r. Now you have to be careful here because it flips back and says to find that to the nearest tenth of a square inch, not foot. So not square inch, just nearest tenth of an inch. So I now need to backtrack and I need to take the 42 diameter, chop that in half, and get 21 for a radius. And then this is going to be 2 times pi times 21. That all needs to go in the calculator. 2 times pi times 21 gives me 131.946. And this says nearest tenth of a square inch. So 131.9 is the circumference. All right, so be careful. There's a couple little things that almost trip me up as I'm doing this. Make sure you got the radius, the right dimension for your formula. All right, whatever your formula is, pay attention to your dimensions. And then also pay attention to your units and really read what it says. What are the units in that your dimensions are in, what units you want the answer in, make sure that everything fits together properly.